To buy options on Webull desktop, start by opening your Webull account. If you're new to Webull, visit their official website to sign up and complete the verification process. Next, open the Webull desktop app and log in with the same account. Navigate to the Stock Options section, located on the left sidebar, and select the stock you want to buy. For instance, you might choose a stock like Nvidia or Tesla. Ensure that you're in the correct section, either the live trading dashboard or the paper trading section, as the process is similar in both. In the right sidebar, make sure you've selected stocks and options rather than other options like futures. Once you've chosen your stock, click the New Order button to place a trade. This will bring up an order entry page where you can change the side of the trade to buy and enter the quantity you want to purchase. You can enter the quantity in shares, as a percentage, or as a specific amount if you want to buy fractional shares. You can also select the order type, such as limit, market, or stop limit, and choose the time and duration of the trade. After customizing these settings, click Place Order to complete the transaction. Your order will appear in the Order section on the right side, where you can modify or cancel it if needed. This process allows you to buy options on Webull desktop.